reader recently sent in this question. Hi, I'm looking to assist a friend who's on an Interpol Red Alert. We want to challenge the notice and have no idea how to gather the evidence allegedly supporting the notice. Any suggestions? This question is so broad that it tells me that the author, obviously good-hearted and well-intentioned, is also not yet qualified to do this work and has not studied the issues related to the question in any depth. The answer to this question is really broad, and in addition to needing evidence that supports the notice, the reader also needs evidence to support the arguments for removal. So the answer depends on what the evidence is, where it is, who has it, whether or not it's relevant to your arguments, and whether or not it's reliable. It also depends on the grounds for seeking the removal, assuming that they exist. What are they? Which rules, treaties, conventions, so forth were violated? If the reader makes the attempt to help her friend and fails, there's a good chance that Interpol's rules will prohibit a second effort unless new evidence is discovered. So the short answer is gather the evidence that supports your arguments from the places that the evidence exists: court dockets, public and private records, media accounts, and so on. But that presupposes that you know what your arguments are, that they're valid, and that there exists evidence to support them. In other words, the reader has to be prepared to build the case properly. If that is all in place, then the reader should make the attempt to help the friend. But if not, the reader should find a qualified professional to assist.